Hey, hello everybody, this is Sim from reviewssoftware.com. Welcome to my AcademyZPresso review. You can see now I'm inside member series of the AcademyZPresso. I will give you a full demo exactly how does this work. You know AcademyZPresso, but you're not really sure how does this work. In this video here, I will give you a full demo exactly what you need to know before you put this product. And I also put a ton of custom bonus that I would like to give for you. So what you need to do now, click to the first link in the description of this video. Then it will take you to my bonus page like this. Then you click to any orange button here. You go to the sale page of the AcademyZPresso. Look like this. Then you click to any red button here. Then you are good to go. Okay, so before we go to the folder about the AcademyZPresso and about my bonus, in your first time come to my channel, click subscribe, click the bell icon. Every time when I upload a new video, you will get notification. So right now, let's get started. So alright, so if you don't see the page I show you here, click to very first link in the description of this video. Then it will take you to the bonus page like this. Okay, so first thing first, what is the AcademyZPresso, right? So AcademyZPresso is a cloud host platform like Udemy, right? So do you know Udemy? Udemy is a platform that's for the teacher and for students. They are connect and they're learning on there. Okay, so teacher teach student is learning from teacher on this platform. Udemy have billion of the visitor visits the platform. Okay, so this is a cloud host platform like Udemy with agency commercial license, which mean customer will become an owner of a platform like Udemy with all the benefit that Udemy own has. Earn passive income while trial upload the course and student buy. So basically this is a platform like Udemy. Okay, but here you own the platform that's like a Udemy. You know, Udemy is have billion of people visits per month. So if you own a platform like a Udemy, do you think you will get good result? Absolutely, guys. Right now, in the crazy time like now, a lot of people looking for education, right? And on the good thing about us is you can own the platform. Then they already have your content, everything about it. What you need to do, advertising your website, then you can have a passive income, right? Because this AcademyZPresso here, they already done for you everything about content, course, teacher. They done for you everything right here. This I will show you just a little bit later, right here. Alright, so let's go to the sale page, right? So if you don't see here, click to the first link in the description, then click to any orange button in my bonus page. You will go to the sale page like this. Okay, this is you see here. This is a most pandemic pro system ever. Finally, you can earn a trustly, passive recurring income business that's thriving during the pandemic in a massive $315 billion interest for you to profit from. Okay, so this is $350 billion. This is massive. Okay, so this is the sale page right here. Feel free to go ahead to here and test this in yourself. They have here the breakdown, everything you need to know. So this product, they have That's 60-day money back guarantee. Okay, so you have 60-day money back guarantee. So you can purchase the product. If you don't like before 60 days, you can ask for the refund, and there are no question asked if you ask for the refund. Okay, and I have also include my high quality bonus with this software. If you ask for the refund, my bonus, you will keep all of my bonus. Okay, so here there are a lot of everything right here that touched to me. So make sure you know that this sale page I show you here is still not go live. Okay, this is only I show you. So the product gonna be launched in the 25th October. Okay, so today right now I make this video is 24 October. So this go live 25th October. Okay, so by right now, if you're watching this video in the 25th October, you can go ahead to purchase this product right now. Okay, before we go to the further about the platform, I would like to show you my bonus page. Okay, so I have included my very high quality bonus that I would like to give you. So make sure you put this product before my countdown time here. Okay, if my countdown time hold, my bonus will expire and will not available for you. So make sure you come here before my countdown time. So when you come here, click to the first link in the description, then click any orange button here. You go to the sale page, then you can purchase the product. Okay. So alright, so before that, let me show you my bonus. I have include for you my very high quality bonus, that my 14 high quality bonus I have include for you. Okay, so right now let's see, the first bonus I will give for you today is SEO keyword mastery. SEO keyword mastery is my number one bonus that I give for you, because this bonus gonna be help you create and find a good keyword SEO that will help you rank your keyword in #1 on Google. Okay, here I show you how to find the honest and the more profitable keyword the right way. And then bonus number 2, I will show you how to do AdWords retargeting. Okay, so Google Ads is really important, guys. If you just start to do your business, you need Google Ads, because Google Ads can drive ton of traffic to your website where you spend very little money, just $10 per day. Okay, and here I will show you how to do Google Ads step by step. And then bonus number 3, I will show you do Bing Ads. Look, a lot of people do Google Ads, but not a lot of people do Bing Ads. And Bing Ads is the old people searching on Bing Ads, and the old people that have more money. So here I will show you do Bing Ads step by step as well. And then bonus number 4, I will show you do video marketing. Video marketing is now the king of marketing. Okay, a lot of people need marketing right now. You see every sale page on the website that have video, so that means video marketing is really high convert, right? So this I have included for you free as well. And I'm not starting the bonus number 4. Okay, I have 14 high quality bonus I give for you. So feel free to jump ahead to my bonus page right now and see this yourself. Alright, so you need to put the product before my countdown time right here. If my countdown time, my bonus will expire, my bonus will not available. Okay, so make sure you come here and post the product before my countdown time. So after you post the product, how would you access to my bonus, right? So after you post the product, you go to WordPress, then you click to your history product that you already purchased. Then you go down to your history here. There are little button access to affiliate bonus here. You click on the button there, you will access to hold my 14 high quality bonus right here. Okay, so alright guys, so make sure you post the product before my countdown time here. So the product gonna be launched in the 25th October. Okay, so you make sure you go here before my bonus expire. So right, so that's it, whole everything about my bonus. So right now let's see more detail about the platform. Okay, so when you log into the platform, and this is the dashboard. So here we show you how many courses you already create, and this is how many students you already have, and how many teachers you have, and how many posts you already post. So keep in mind that my account is new. Okay, my account is new. I didn't create a lot of course. I didn't create a lot of course and posts. So this is very new account. So make sure you know that this is new account. Okay. So right now, when you go to dashboard and you go down to manage your category. So this is the main category where you can create. Where you can create your course, and the course is the category of the course right here. Okay, so this here the main student. This is the student. You see how many students and the detail of the student log into your platform. Okay, and the conversation. So this is the conversation where you connect with your student and your teacher. Okay, so go to manager instruction. So this is for your manager instruction. Sorry guys. This is your manager instruction where your teacher can come here and create a platform and teach people inside this platform. And then this manager course. So this is your course. You can create a course by click on the create new course. You create new course. And then manager referral. This is the referral from your student and your teacher. Okay, and this is the manager blog. So this is the blog you create. Okay, this is a blog you can create over here. And the general setting. The general setting right here is you can upload your logo. You can upload your logo. Everything about here. You can have more options here. You have the icon. You have pop-up banner. You have notification pop-up, a lot of things right here as well. And the home page, this is the home page that you can customize your home page, your contact or something like that. And the Gmail setting here is where you can see your Gmail over here. Okay, the student Gmail, and you can send Gmail to them. Then you also can customize. So after example, when your student log into your platform, then they have directly the Gmail sent to them. So you can customize that. And a lot more right here. And this payment, I love it. So the payment here is where you can when you charge, you can charge for your student in here. Okay, and this is the language. You can ask language over here. You can ask how many language you want over here. You click on here and ask new language that you like. Okay, and also social setting. This is the social setting, the social link that you share for your social media. And SEO tool. So this is the SEO tool where you can do SEO for your platform. Okay, so this is absolutely is like the Udemy platform. It's exactly like a Udemy platform you can have. Now you have your very own platform like a Udemy, so you own 100% profit from the student the course from your platform. And this is, I think this is really good because, like a Udemy, they have billions of people with this, and you own a platform like Udemy. Is the first start. Yeah, the first start doesn't mean you will have billion people visit, but you see the benefit all the AcademyZPresso give for you, and they have fully the benefit of the Udemy have give for you as well. So you can, the important I would like to show you here, you can see here the important here is amazing. They have free content to you. Okay, when you post this platform, they have free content to you. First, the free content, free course trainer, and free teacher, free culture. Okay, the free course, free teacher, free culture for you, done for you inside of this platform. And also here they have free referral traffic from teacher, and teacher send referral traffic to make more money as reward. And referral traffic from student will send referral traffic to get discount coupon as a reward for rewards. So this is the traffic, and the teacher will send traffic to your platform, and also the student send traffic to your platform. Okay, and a lot more here. But I think this software is really good because, you know, right now the world is crazy and a lot of people are looking for education course online. So I think this is the chance for you. You can post a product and you can create your own platform like Udemy. So I think this is really, really good to you first start to do your business, because now the world crazy. You can work on that. This is danger, right? So yeah, I would recommend for you put the product, and make sure you know that I have include for you, if you put the product, I have include for you my 14 high quality bonus that I spent a lot of time put everything together right here. So I know my bonus will gonna help you do better if you use this platform to yourself. Okay, my bonus 14 high quality bonus here will gonna help you. And right now let's talk about the price. So this for front end, the price only $19, and they have down sale in $17. I think this is good start, right? I think this is a good start because, you know, you can on a platform, millions of people searching like a Udemy, and the cost only $19. I think this is very cheap price for you. First start, and I have few upsell too here. You see, upsell number 1 is $97, upsell number 2 is $67, upsell number 3 is $39, upsell number 4 is $67, upsell number 5 $39, upsell number 6 $39. Upsell number 7 $197. So they have a lot of upsell, and they have monthly fees after here. But the first price $97 here is no monthly fees. Okay, no monthly fees. You can use as your own. Everything is your own. Okay, and they have free content, free course, free teacher, free coaching for you. I think that's really good for the first price $97. I think this is really good price. Okay, so whole of my bonus I include for you is really high quality, and I have include for you. So I know my bonus gonna help you go faster if you use my bonus and go with this platform. Okay, so alright guys, I hope this video helpful, and I hope this video I cover everything you need to know about the AcademyZPresso, and make sure you put the product before my countdown time. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you're still here, click subscribe or click to the bell icon. Every time when I upload a new video, you will get notification. So I will see you in another video. Bye bye.